If you follow SEO, then you know that there's value in interconnecting your content based on the keyword. So in this example, the value is in the words that are clickable, what's called anchor text, because this signals to Google and other search engines what this link that you're about to click on or that they're about to follow, what it's about. So that helps it better understand the keyword that's associated to the interconnected content. So this link is about interactive content. And then if we jump down here, I want to show you another example that says infographics right here. Now here's how you can automate this, and this is why this is nice on WordPress, because if you have to go back and add a bunch of links to keywords retroactively into historical content, that can take a lot of time. And if you want to add it to new content, let's be honest, you can forget. So you can see that there's this content here, the links, those are manually added through the regular content editor. But if I come down here to infographics, you'll see that this is not hyperlinked, but clearly it was hyperlinked on the front end. So what you can do is there's two tools that you can add. One is called SEO Smart Links and one is called WPA SEO Autolinker. They both have the same concept. Now I'll explain the main difference here in a minute, and it's simply just formatting. What you do though is you comma separate all your keyword targets and identify what link you want to go to. So in this example I did Best SEO Company and I pointed to this page about Best SEO. On these ones that are simply about the definitions of search engine optimization or SEO, you'll see that I link it to this page. Now if I come down here, you'll want to notice that on Best SEO Company versus Best SEO, you'll see I put the shorter version last, because what these tools do is they look for this phrase. So if I had this flip-flop the other way, and in my content I had the phrased Best SEO Company, but in my formatting of the plugin I had Best SEO first, then it would only link Best SEO. And I want it to be more accurate hyperlinking or longer form whenever possible. So if you put the longer form first, it's going to try and hit that one first if it exists, and then the shorter versions will follow. So that'll be more accurate anchor text. Now the main difference between how you format these between SEO Smart Links and WPA SEO Autolinker is you'll see these are separated by commas, and then there's a vertical pipe divider that identifies the end of the keywords and then the start of the target link. WPA SEO Autolinker is a little bit different. It just simply uses another comma to separate it. So you have your URL at the end. Both have the same general concept and will automatically link. SEO Smart Links is a little bit outdated and unsupported. It's convenient, has a couple extra options. One of them being that you can set an anchor text hover. WPA Autolinker is newer and updated, but it automatically interconnects some content sometimes a little less preferentially, but you can adjust those in these settings. But what I mean on SEO Smart Links is right here, there's a short code where you can automatically have the anchor also be the keyword. So what this says is when this keyword shows up, hyperlink it, and then also add a title. So I can show you on this one. These are examples of keywords that have automatically been linked, and then you'll see when I hover it, the anchor text also features a title of that same keyword, and that was designated here in the formatting with the keyword placeholder. There you go. Easy way to automatically interconnect your content on WordPress, SEO Smart Links, and WPA SEO Autolinker.